The Art of Travel Writing, Bill Bryson's Mastery. Are you an aspiring travel writer, wondering what sets the greats apart from the rest? Look no further than the legendary Bill Bryson. In this video, we'll explore the qualities that make him a master of travel writing. Bill Bryson has captivated readers around the world with his unique approach to travel writing. Here's why he stands out from the crowd. One of the key reasons behind Bryson's success is his engaging writing style. He effortlessly combines humor, wit, and storytelling, making his travelogues a joy to read. His ability to paint vivid pictures of the places he visits and the people he encounters is unparalleled. Bryson's exploration of various destinations goes beyond merely scratching the surface. He dives deep into the cultural, historical, and social aspects of a place, often uncovering interesting and lesser-known facts. His unique ability to present unconventional perspectives keeps readers hooked. Bryson's keen eye for detail is another strength that sets him apart. He pays close attention to the little things, the architecture, the local cuisine, the idiosyncrasies of a place, and incorporates them into his narrative. This makes readers feel like they're right there, experiencing the destination alongside him. A genuine and honest voice is a trademark of Bryson's writing. He expresses his genuine emotions, sharing both the highs and lows of his travel experiences. By showcasing the reality of travel, he creates a connection with readers who appreciate his authenticity. Perhaps the most remarkable quality of Bryson's travel writing is his ability to inspire curiosity. Through his stories and encounters, he encourages readers to go out and explore the world themselves, fostering a sense of adventure and wanderlust. Bill Bryson's mastery of travel writing lies in his engaging style, unconventional perspectives, attention to detail, authenticity, and ability to inspire. By embracing these qualities in your own writing, you can embark on a journey to becoming a great travel writer.